In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple email addresses within one Gmail account. This quick and useful trick can save you time and help organize your inbox more efficiently. First, open Gmail and look for the settings icon in the top right corner. This gear-shaped icon is your gateway to customizing your Gmail account. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Next, select See All Settings to access a comprehensive settings menu where you can control most aspects of your email account, including managing multiple email addresses. Once you're in settings, navigate to the Account and Import tab. Here, you'll find the option to add another email address. Click on it and a pop-up window will appear prompting you to enter your information. This step is crucial as it allows you to create email variations without needing multiple accounts. Here's a neat trick. Add a plus sign or extra letters before the @ symbol in your existing email address. For example, if your email is yourname@gmail.com, you could use yourname plus newsletters@gmail.com or yourname.work@gmail.com. Emails sent to these variations will still arrive in your main inbox, making them easy to organize. After entering your email variation, click Next Step. Then, enter your password to confirm that you own the account. Click Add Account, and your new variant will now be linked to your primary Gmail account. This setup allows emails sent to these variations to filter directly into your inbox while giving you the flexibility to label and categorize them. You can separate personal, work, or subscription emails without juggling multiple accounts. Additionally, you can create as many variations as needed, helping you manage newsletters, online registrations, or different projects effortlessly. It's a smart and efficient way to keep your Gmail organized and clutter-free. By using this method, all your email activity stays under one account, saving time and improving productivity. That's it. You now have multiple addresses managed under one Gmail account, giving you complete control over your inbox. Happy emailing.